Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instructions sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.4.13. Next, step 2, enter prices. Prices are entered on the cost workup sheet. Both steps 1 and steps 2 must be completed for the application to work. Step 2 demonstrates how to enter material prices on cost workup sheets. Each and every piece of material that is used in fabrication is included in a cost workup. When the material price is entered in a cost workup sheet, the cost of the specific piece is calculated. The calculation is automatically achieved by entering the price for that row item. The dimensions entered on the project dimension sheet are the basis of the calculated quantity of material used. The material cost means the price paid for the material or labor. The supplier can be a subcontractor, vendor, shop workers, or to any source available. Step 1 of this instruction example, learning how to enter dimensions on the project dimension sheet, is completed. Dimensions are represented by range names on the project dimension sheet. On every sheet in the application, if a range name is used in a mathematical expression or formula, or as a separate single value in a cell, the value assigned to the range on the project dimension sheet that will automatically populate every expression, formula, or cell value with that range name. This is a foundation of the application. This example 1.4.13 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 2.1.01.